Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide posts on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now select the post you want to hide. Tap on the three dots and tap on archive. And your post will be hidden from your feed. Now let's do that once again. Now, to unhide the post, go back to your profile. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Go to archive. At the top, if you tap on post archive, you'll see the option Stories Archive. Now select the post you want to unhide. Tap on the three dots and tap on Show on Profile. Let's do that once again. And these two posts will be shown on your profile. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.